Setting the screenshot format to JPG or PNG allows you to choose the preferred file type based on your needs for image quality, file size, or compatibility. Here's how you set it on your Galaxy S24. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel. Next, tap on the Settings icon. On the Settings page, scroll down and select Advanced Features. In the Advanced Features menu, scroll down and tap on Screenshots and Screen Recordings. Under the Screenshot section, tap on Format. A pop-up menu will appear where you can choose between JPG or PNG for your screenshot format. Once you've made your selection, the setting is automatically saved. Finally, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. And that's it. You've successfully set the screenshot format on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.